Okay, now we're going to create a test database and then we're going to try to back it up and restore it. So you start off with mysql -u root -p. Okay, and then we're going to create database and we're going to call it test. Okay, it's created. Okay, now we're going to use mysql dump command in order to back up our test database. mysql dump --user equals root --password equals my password. I just gave it test 234 -result -file equals test.sql and space test. So as you can see, we get a file called test.sql here, and if we look inside the file, we'll see stuff like this that has been backed up. Okay, now we're going to use a command to go ahead and restore it. So mysql --user equals root --password equals my password test and direct it to test.sql. The content of the SQL file here called test.sql automatically deals with table recreations. So if you restore the database in a server where it doesn't already exist, you'll need to create it before. The SQL file doesn't recreate the database itself.